Hello friends, welcome to our channel pythonji. Today's topic is write a Python program that prints hello world and then ask for the user's name to greet them. So let's start. Write print hello world like this. Then ask for the user's name. Take name as input like this. Then write a code to greet the user like nice to meet you, and then I want name of the user, which user input here. So this is the code. Let's run it. You can press shift plus enter or press here to run this cell. Okay, so as you can see, hello world is printed. Then what is your name? Write your name, like I write my name. Write your name, press enter. Nice to meet you and have a great day. Actually, I have written one more line here, so it is printing have a great day. Now we run this code. As you can see, nice to meet you. If we write one extra line like this, select this and press Ctrl C to copy it, then Ctrl V to paste it, and then write your name. See, nice to meet you. Nice. So thanks for watching. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में जल्द ही, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.